Yeah, one of them little Japanese white eyes here. He's decided that he likes my hand. It's nice and warm, and he won't leave. Rather extraordinary. I was in there working, and all of a sudden I heard boom, and he bounced off the window and dropped into a cardboard box out here. He must have stunned himself pretty good. He obviously is not dead. He's moving. But he hadn't flown away either, which is, well, pretty much indicates, I guess, that he hit the window pretty hard. Looking a little bit more coherent here. Ready to go? Huh? No? No fly? It's a no-fly zone. TSA would not let you on the airplane. How you feeling there, Buckwheat? Huh? Just don't poop in my hand, please. I don't know why I'm being nice to these guys. They eat all my berries. They peck holes in my fruit. Good thing you're not a pig. Well, what do you think? You want to go for a ride, huh?
Why don't you put him on the...
I'm going to put him down here.
Oh, okay.
Here. Come on. You don't want to leave. Look at him. You don't want to leave my finger. Oh, there he goes. He just liked me. I'll be darned. There was nothing wrong with him. Well, son of a gun. I tried to put him down on the table. He wouldn't let go of my hand, and when I finally shook him off, he was boom. He's out of here. He says, I like this guy. What a strange bird.
He was warm. He was warm. He knew.
Well, there's my buddy, the Anole, out there. He patrols the green beans. He's doing his morning dance.